Hello, today we'll be looking at a little bit of revision and we're going to be looking into fractions. So we're going to start with adding fractions with the same denominator and then adding fractions with the different denominator. Okay, so let's make a start then. Alright, so I do have a little hack and I've already made this. I'll post a link so you can download it if you want. To add subtractions, I have a little hack. Adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing. It just includes it just involves basically remembering where the arrows go. So let's have a look what I mean by that. All right, let's start with the first one. We've got 2 over 5, add 2 over 5. Now, I do have a simple method. If both denominators are the same, your answer is going to be exactly the same. So if it's something over 5, add something over 5, my answer is going to be something over 5. All right, let's have a look at the next one. We've got 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. So my answer is 4 over 5. Don't forget to write it in the box, because in your arithmetic exam, it has to be in the box to get the mark. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay, we have 2 over 9, add 3 over 9. Again, if it's something over 9, add something over 9. My answer is going to be something over 9. So I'm going to start by doing that, something over 9. What's 2 add 3? 2 add 3 is 5, so I have 5 over 9. Simple, isn't it? Let's move on to the next one then. Just position the camera. Okay, 3 over 8, add 4 over 8. Again, because my denominators are exactly the same, if it's something over 8, add something over 8. My answer is going to be something over 8. What's 3 add 4? 3 add 4 is 7. So my answer is 7 over 8. Okay, what have I done now, even though I've got the correct answer, that won't give me the mark if I was in an arithmetic exam? Okay, the answer is I haven't put it in the boxes. Okay, your answers must always go in the boxes. So well done if you noticed. 5 over 9 and 7 over 8. Just double check to make sure it matches what you've written and you should get a mark for each. Alright, next, let's have a look. Okay, next we've got 1 over 11, add 5 over 11. Remember what I said, if the denominators are the same, it stays the same. 1 plus 5 is 6. The answer is 6 over 11. Okay, see if you can do the next one yourself. 7 over 12 plus 4 over 12. Let's have a look at the answer. If it's something over 12, add something over 12. My answer is something over 12. 7 add 4 is 11. I should have 11 over 12. How did you get on with that one? Okay, let's see if you can do number 7 and number 8 on your own now. And we'll finish off by seeing if we can simplify the answer as well. Okay, I'll give you a little time. I'll give you a 10-second head start and then I'll do it myself. Okay, let's have a look. Something over 15, add something over 15. It's going to be something over 15. 10 add 3. 10 add 3 is 13 over 15. Can it be simplified? It can't, can it? No. All right, 6 over 17, add 11 over 17. It's going to be something over 17. 6 add 11 is 17. Can that be simplified? 17 over 17. Okay, how many times does 17 go into 17 then? It goes into 17 once, so my answer is going to be 1. Don't forget to pop your answers in. We've got 1 there, 13 over 15 there. Lovely. Did you get that right? If so, well done. Right, let's have a look at some more now. So we've done adding fractions now with the same denominator. Let's see if we can now do it with a different denominator. Okay. So here's where my hacks come in. So let's have a look. So adding. The hack is you just times the numerator by the opposite denominator. So 1 times 5, 2 times 3, and then step 2, times the denominators by each other. All right, so let's rewrite this and make it simpler. So here's how we do it. Let's have a look at number 2. So 1 over 3 plus 1 over 9. Remember what I said? We're going to simply times the opposites. So what's 1 times 9? 1 times 9 is 9. We need to add, so we'll write in my plus. And then 1 times 3 is 3. And then step 2, what is 3 times 9? What is 3 times 9? Well, 3 times 9 is 27. So I've done the first part. I'll move it forward a little bit. So I've already done the first part of my calculation. 9 times 3 is 27. So now let's finish it off. What is 9 add 3? 9 add 3 is 12 over 27. So my answer is 12 over 27. Just like that. All right, same thing applies for number 2. Let's have a look at number 2 now. Okay, so I've got 1 over 4 times 3 over 8. The denominators are different, so let's do 1 times 8. 1 times 8 is 8. We need to add. And then 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And then finally, 4 times 8. So what is 4 times 8? Well, 4 times 8 is 32. So my answer is going to be 20 over 32. Now you can simplify it to make it 10 over 16, etc. I'm just going to, for argument's sake, write these in now. 20 over 32. Okay, we're not looking at simplifying right now. We're just trying to learn the method of how to get the answer. All right, next we've got 2 over 3 add 1 over 6. Let's start by doing 2 times 6, which is 12. And then 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. And then 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, so what does that become? It should become 12 add 3, 15 over 18. So my answer is 15 over 18. Okay, got a mark for each one there. Lovely. See if you can do the next one on your own. Remember, you're going to times the numerators with the opposite denominators and then times your denominators together. Okay, have a go. Let's have a look. What is 3 times 20? 3 times 20 is 60. 1 times 5 is 5. And then 5 times 20 is 100. Again, we're not going to simplify, we're just going to work on the method. So it becomes 65 over 100. 65 over 100. Okay, next one. 4 over 7 add 3 over 14. Let's go for it. 4 times 14. Well, 2 times 14 is 28, and if I double it, it gives me 56. So 56 add 3 times 7, which is 21, over 7 times 14. What is 7 times 14? Well, 7 times 10 is 20, and 7 times 4 is 28. So if I add 28 to 70, it gives me 98. So my answer is going to be 56 add 21, which is 77, over 98. So 77 over 98. Okay, see if you can do the next one on your own. 5 times table. Let's have a look. Number 7, 5 over 9 add 5 over 27. Okay, so 5 times 27 is 135. Add 5 times 9, which is 45. And then 9 times 27. What is 9 times 27? Okay, it's 243. 243. So that should equal 135 plus 45, which we know is 180, over 243. So my answer is 180 over 243. 243. Okay, last question. We've got 5 over 24 add 3 over 4. Okay, so pause the video, have a go doing this, and we'll go for the answers when you're done. Let's have a look then. So what's 5 times 4? 5 times 4 is 20. Don't forget the plus. So plus 3 times 24. So 3 times 24 I think is 72. So we'll write that in. And then we're now going to times 24 by 4. So what is 24 by 4? Answer is 96. Step 1 done. Okay, what is that? It's something over 96. What is 20 add 72? 20 add 72 is 92. So my answer is going to be 92 over 96. Okay, so that is how you add fractions with different denominators. Let's have a look one more time. So we're just going to times the numerator by the opposite denominators, and then our denominator is going to be times together to give us our denominator. Right, I hope this helps. In the next video, we'll move on from adding and then we'll go to subtracting. And the good news is it is exactly the same. Even with subtracting, we're going to times the numerator by the opposite denominators and then times them together. The only difference being is the operation is going to be different. So instead of adding the numbers together, we're going to be subtracting the numbers. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped.